Hi, in this video, I am going to show you how to add logo to Google Business Profile. For this, first of all, we open any browser. Once it's open, then we will open google.com. Once google.com will be open in front of you, go to the right top corner and here you will see these 9 buttons. Click on it. After that, go below. Here is the option of Business Profile Manager. So click on it. Once it's open, here you will see your all businesses listed on Google. Open one of them. Once it's open, now you can see here is a option of photos. Click on it. After that, go below and here you will see a button of change logo. If you have not added logo before, here is the option of add a logo. Just click on it. Then click on select photo. Select a photo from your PC. Select the picture. After that, go below and click on save. Your logo will be updated within 2 to 5 minutes. That was the way how to add logo to Google Business Profile. If you want to learn more about this, please comment in the comment section. And if you found this video helpful, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.